just thought I'd show you a bit of progress what we did with shed. I didn't do a lot of filming to be honest, there's a bit I'll put together, but it got on well actually. We had lad help us for a day put steel up. I had a forklift because ours wasn't big enough to put them beams up top. We tried ourselves and we were about a metre off. We had the idea of putting low loader in here, backing up onto low loader and lifting them up with that, which I'd have nearly done, but a bit sketchy. So we hired a Merlo, what was it, 13 metre 4-ton machine, brand new. It was very nice, and to be fair it was 95 quid for the day, and it would have pissballed about that much that it cost us more with our machines. So yeah, it was handy. Only a lad down the road has a few for hire, so yeah, it was handy knowing that and hiring one off him. But yeah, we put them up and all woods up, and no calamities. Everything seems. This leg here, I don't know what we've done, but I think we'll be able to square it up by putting some plates in top and just splaying it out. But this leg here, you probably won't be able to see. But if you look down here, that leg is slightly in at the top. So we'll maybe be able to alter that by putting slack-link bolts off at top and putting some washers in. But all in all, everything's pretty straight. But you can't really tell until you get concrete walls in. You know, if you get them concrete panels in, then you start seeing discrepancies with where you haven't got lines quite right. There's 3 pillars to go in here this week. We're hopefully going to get that done and then make it all square, and then we can order concrete panels. There's a guy organised for the roof, because we have roofed them in past, but we usually fill them with straw, you know, in harvest, and then roof them so it's straw. Obviously if we fall through we're onto straw, but we ain't got time to, well, we ain't got the straw to move anyway, and it's just, so I've paid someone to come and net it, and they're going to come and roof it. Don't know what it will cost, I'll just leave him to it. It's a decent firm, I'll just pay him whatever, you know. And then hopefully Yorkshire boarding, get these side pieces of wood up and get some Yorkshire boarding up maybe this week as well if it arrives. And yeah, we're on time schedule for maybe next batch of pigs. But had a bit of a visit from Banksy. Look, Banksy came in the night and did us a bit of a mural. So, we had a bit of a calamity with lighting tower. I run into it, nearly knocked it over. Had bloody lights going like that. But anyway, she survived. Bloody good thing, hell of a thing. In fact, when that was on, honest to God, it was just like daylight. It was lighter than it is now in this shed. Bloody marvellous thing. So anyway, but yeah, that'll do. Report over. on like this. Whoa! I will press go in the other side. Can you just slacken that leg, please, a little bit? Or just be careful. Hang on a minute, let me. Right, go on then. Just slacken it. Maybe yon side a little bit. Have you got a nut on there, Rob?
Yeah.
Yeah? That's it. That's another one. Radio, we'll have another one if you want. This is Sexy Fingers, our main worker.
Don't want to be on
He's
camera.
a bit camera shy. We call him
get paid to be on camera.
We call him Sexy Fingers because everything he touches, he fucks. What else have you been nicknamed?
Pikey.
Pikey, because he's a bit of a gypsy.
McLovin at Liver.
Pardon?
McLovin at Liver.
McLovin at Liver's? Bloody hell, why did he call him McLovin? Go on.
Have you never watched the film Superbad?
What?
Superbad. There's a kid called McLovin on it. Or he gets a fake ID and it's called McLovin. Just a kid with glasses.
Oh, so now to do with being a master lover or all like that? Ah, I didn't think so. Oliver's got a terrible hangover today. It's like working with a moody 5-year-old. But we're nearly finished. Actually, he's coming round now, he's had a cup of tea, so... I think he'll be okay. Can't really see him. What do you do at the end of a video, Oliver?
What?
What do you do at the end of a video?
Like and subscribe. Okay. Like and subscribe. Gay boy.
What a plum. What do you do? Say it properly for the viewers. Oh, come on, no abuse. No, be sensible.
Like and subscribe. You bastard. There.
I'm going to put that on. Yeah, by your mates will give you some stick. Banksy's been and touched up again.